Perfect. Okay, so now we're gonna do that again with everyone. Instruments up. Eyes on me, Mark.
In El Sistema, you're in an orchestra from day one. Here's your instrument. Sit down in the orchestra. 3 months ago when we walked in the door, none of these kids had ever touched a bass or a cello or a viola. When we put music in front of them, they were like, oh my gosh, what are all these dots? What do we do with all these dots on the page? El Sistema is a program that seeks social change through the power of music. We're a school of 157 kids. It's pre-K through 5th grade. We have the kids for 2.5 to 3 hours a day, completely immersed in music. Music literacy classes, choir, world drumming, orchestra, instrumental lessons.
Ready, position. Ready, position. Ready, position.
The challenge is with discipline.
Sophia and Stella, I don't remember any direction to talk.
Oh my gosh, I really wasn't talking.
That was a huge learning curve for all of us. The kids are so excited to have these musical instruments in their hand. All they want to do is play, 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 play. But understanding that when we're in an orchestra, there are ground rules. Now, here's what I will accept, and here's what I won't accept. And what I will accept, we talked about yesterday, is an honest mistake. What I won't accept is you coming in late. We came from the point of, here are the rules. And that wasn't working so well. So what we had to do was to speak to them like musicians. Now, I want to hear the theme, which is the idea, and actually give them a vision of where we're going. You're telling the audience, you're giving them an idea. And the idea is about joy. Then they got the picture of it, which is a very different thing. There's a saying in Venezuela, if you know 5 notes, teach someone who only knows 3 notes.
Rest.
In El Sistema, they told us, when they come in, they're musicians from the start. We don't come here to be good. We only come here to be the best.
Hey, go.
It's not even about the importance of playing the right note at the right time. Of course those things are important, but it's about caring deeply about how you put your finger down. To care about something is the entry point. And when you can care about putting your finger down, then you can care about the person next to you. And then the person next to you. And the person next to him and her. And all of a sudden, you're in a room of people that care about things. And that's what brings social change.